To working mode, need live video. Follow tips to set up camera network.
No Wi-Fi, plug and play with SD card inserted.
No Wi-Fi working mode. No Wi-Fi, plug and play with SD card inserted. USB charger camera attack. Open the back panel, insert micro SD card. Plug into the socket. After power on, the camera starts up. The indicator light flashes. After a minute, camera Wi-Fi signal will show up on the phone icon list. Open the back panel, insert micro SD card. Assemble camera base. Plug into the socket. After power on, the camera starts up. The indicator light flashes. After a minute, camera Wi-Fi signal will show up on the phone icon list. No Wi-Fi, but need view live video from phone app. Firstly, plug camera into outlet, connect to camera signal, then choose the second way close range monitor setting. Connect camera to router Wi-Fi for remote viewing from phone app. Install 6CAP. Open 6CAP. Set app access permission. Location access permission is only required for initial setup. To identify the router network, choose Log when using app. Add a camera app. Choose remote monitor setting. Input router Wi-Fi password. Tick it, then click the first one. Get camera signal name. Get the password of camera Wi-Fi signal. To connect camera Wi-Fi signal, enter phone Wi-Fi list. Then camera Wi-Fi signal. Input camera Wi-Fi password. Camera Wi-Fi has no internet connection, only for adding to app. Back 6CAP. Connecting device. Connecting to Wi-Fi, please wait, do not leave this page. Wi-Fi hidden camera set up successfully. Watch live video. Try to shake your hand inside the S view. Photograph, save to local album. Recording a video to local album. Check local video and image. View auto-recording videos of SD card. Get camera to work by motion detection. If don't need an alarm notification, you can close the option. Do a test. Check alarm report on app.
Home security and surveillance has never been easier, more powerful, and more discreet than with this 4K clock camera system. Catch every detail in crystal clear high definition. It's wireless and battery free, plus Wi-Fi enabled. Power this clock with any USB device. This security camera is discreet and compact, and it remains out of sight. No subscriptions or fees ever. Live stream the camera feed with your computer or phone. With the night vision setting, you get clear footage in low light and at night. You can use the SD card storage on the camera or wirelessly store to your device. 170-degree viewing angle allows for full coverage of the entire room. With multicam access, you can track as many feeds as you want on the app. You get notifications, timers, adjustments, and so much more. Motion detection starts the recording when motion is detected. Our native app offers all the controls and adjustments you will need. With this HD security camera, you can discreetly monitor your home, office, hotel room, RV, boat, and so much more.
Looking for a great 4K home security camera that looks like part of the room decor? Then you're going to want to check out what kind of punch this alarm clock really has to it. What could you use a 4K camera like this for? Well, tons of things, really. It's perfect for home security monitoring as well as watching out for the kids and pets while you're not home. Maybe you want to keep an eye on the grandparents when they're at a nursing home or a hospital. You can do that too. You can stick one of these in your office or your dorm just for that added level of protection and ease of mind. In the box is the camera itself, and it comes with a USB cable and a USB wall plug. The camera quality on this thing is amazing. At 4K resolution, you'll see every detail of the room, and with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, you'll capture even more of the room itself. You can easily connect this to Wi-Fi and remote access the camera from anywhere with no subscription fees or any ridiculously hard setup. And that's not all. It comes equipped with motion detection and push notification features to alert you whenever movement is present. If any movement happens, you'll get a notification right to your smartphone. And best of all that can happen in the dark. Yep, this camera is equipped with night vision as well, so you can see in the dark. I've put together a couple of shots with this camera itself to show you its quality. Here's a shot of my living room at the moment. And here is a shot of my kitchen. Now, notice how the camera adjusts for the lighting in the room. Here's a shot of my backyard to show just how nice and vibrant the colors show up with this camera. And here's a shot where I enabled the night vision mode to show you what that looks like. As you can see, this camera has all the quality that you could hope for from an affordable spy camera, and more functionality than you can shake a stick at. If you're looking for that added level of protection for your belongings or loved ones, then this is a great idea. Grab this 4K home security alarm clock camera for yourself or a friend today.